In CloudRaya, there are kinds of storage. Root disk, the default storage assigned during VM creation. Data disk, an additional storage that we can add or attach to our existing VM. What can you do with this storage? First, let's talk about root disk. You can add a snapshot as its supported action. To create a snapshot, you can create it at the VM detail page. Now, let's talk about data disk, or the additional storage. You can add additional storage by clicking on the Add Storage button. Choose where your storage server will be located. You can place it in the same region as your VM, or in a different region as an orphan storage. Next, you can choose the storage package that you need and give it a name by typing it in the next column. Once everything is set up, you'll see the total cost per hour. When you're ready, click the Add Storage button. After adding the storage, it will not be immediately usable. For Windows OS, you need to initialize and format the disk first. For Linux OS, you need to format the disk and then mount it. You can start using it to store your data by clicking the Attach button, select VM, and click on the Attach Storage button. Once these steps are completed, the storage will be ready to use. Need an extra storage? Add yours now.